When configuring the PDF Viewer Nova widget, there are a few key points worth highlighting. In the PDF menu, you can set which user types are allowed to view the document. There are two ways to restrict access for the selected user types. The first is to limit the range of pages they can view. Here, we've set the start page to 1 and the end page to 3. This means that any content after page 3 will be locked and inaccessible. If you turn on the Append Lock Page switch, you can display a custom message on the locked area. You can also add a link. Clicking the message will redirect users to a page of your choice, such as a membership purchase page. The second restriction method is to show only a preview image. You can either upload a custom image or choose a specific page from the PDF to serve as the preview. If you enable the Show Overlap Lock Box switch, similar to the first method, you can set a custom message or add a redirect link. In the Full Screen Viewer menu, if full screen mode is set to Web Page Full Screen, when you enlarge the viewer while browsing the PDF, it will expand to fill the page area only. If you select True Full Screen, then click Publish. In this mode, enlarging the viewer will make the PDF take over the entire screen. In the top floating bar menu, you can define which user types have download permissions. This download permission setting works very similarly to the view permission settings we just looked at. After selecting the user types, you can choose Pop-up Message and set a custom message. Then click Publish. Now, when you go to the preview page and click the download icon, a message will appear indicating that download access is denied. Alternatively, you can choose Redirect and set a link to send users to another page. In the right panel menu, there are two switches, Auto Open Bookmarks on Page Scroll and Auto Open Bookmarks on Scroll Bar Scroll. With both switches turned on, you can see that scrolling with the wheel or dragging the scroll bar will automatically trigger the outline panel to open. If you turn both switches off and click Publish, and then when you go back to the preview page and scroll using the wheel or drag the scroll bar, the outline panel will no longer pop up automatically. It will only appear when you move your mouse near the outline panel area. You can also drag the edge of the outline panel to resize its display area. All of these options can be adjusted based on your personal browsing preferences.